can I?
Find the least number which must be added to each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained.
Okay. Let us try to understand. Find the least number which must be added. Here you observe, find the least number which must be subtracted. Only the word difference, only single word difference is there, that is subtracted, here added. So 525 is not a perfect square number. By adding one number to it, you are making the 525 as perfect square number. Which number is to be added? That only they are asking. Okay. After finding that number, also find the square root of the perfect square. So obtained, that getting number square root also you have to find. Did you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So here
Yes, sir.
find the least number which must be added, to the given number. Let us select the fifth bit first question. What is that fifth bit first question? 520.
525.
125.
Okay. Question number 5. This red color is okay? Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fifth bit. Um, if you don't like red color, I can go to any other color.
We
Blue,
like,
sir.
Black, blue, green.
red is okay, sir.
Okay. Red is okay. Okay, no problem. Fifth bit. What is the question? 500 and
525. 525.
525 is the given number. As per the question, it is not the perfect square number. Some number is to be added to make this number as perfect square number. Which is the number to be added? That you need to find. So in that solution, how to proceed? Like our previous, we are in the chapter of squares and square roots. Okay. So 525 square root, let us try to find. It is not a perfect square number, but we will apply the division method. What we have to do in division method, we have to place the bars over the
Bar.
Number.
Over
place
the numbers. Numbers.
over the numbers starting from the right. Every two digits you can place the bar. Next, only one number. Single number is there for that. After that, we will draw like this. Take down the think about the number which is below the first bar. What is the number?
Yes, sir.
What
5.
is the number? 5. Is 5
5.
a perfect square number?
No,
No,
sir.
sir. Yes.
Since it is
No,
not a
sir.
perfect square number, before that, which is the perfect square number?
4.
4.
4. 4
4.
can be written as 2 into 2. 2 into
2.
2
2 is the
will
4.
be 4. After
4.
that, we can subtract. 5 minus 4 is
1.
1.
1.
Take down
1.
the next number which is
25.
below the second bar. That is 2 5. Now the number is 125. Next step is, what is the number here?
2,
2.
sir.
2.
2.
125.
5.
Here what is the number?
2. 2.
2. 2.
2. 2
2.
double.
2.
2
4.
double.
4.
4. 4.
Right here, you place the blank here. In that blank, which digit you are selecting, with that digit only you have to multiply to get 125. So that, let me do the rough work here. 4 after, suppose if I select 3. If I select
3.
3, with that 3 only I should multiply. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. 129. 129 is crossing 125. So 3 should not be there.
Yes,
Which
sir.
is to
Yes,
be there?
sir.
Sir,
Which is
2.
to be there?
2.
2.
Let us
2.
check with 2.
2.
42 2 times is 84. It is not crossing. It
Yes,
should
sir.
not be. It should
Yes,
not
sir.
cross. It's 125. So it is crossing. So we will avoid this. We will take this condition. 4 after which digit is to be kept?
2. 2.
2.
2.
So here if you are placing 2, here also you should place 2. 42 2 times is how much?
84.
82.
84. Next process is subtraction. 5 minus 4 is 1. 12 minus 8 is 4.
41.
41. You got the remainder
41.
as 41. Okay. If it is our which number is to be subtracted from 525 to make it as a perfect square number means like our question number 4, we can subtract 41 like that we can tell directly. But this question is addition question. Which number is to be added? 41 is not to be added. 525 in
Sir, question
525 41.
22.
Okay. So what we will do? This shows that this shows that what is the quotient you got here?
22.
22 square is less than 525.
525.
Is it correct? 22 square is
Yes, sir.
22 square is 22 into 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4, 4 plus 4 8, 2 into 2 4, 484. So 484 is less than 525. So in this question what you need to do?
Yes, sir.
22 square is less than 525. Next
525.
perfect square is next perfect square
Perfect square
is see 22 square is not it is less than that. We want more than 525. If you are adding some number to 525, more than that you will get. So next perfect square number is 22 after what will come?
23.
33 square.
23.
23.
23. 23. So 22 square after 23 square. 23 square answer you know that. What is the answer for 23 square? 520.
525.
529. Hence, the number to be added, the number to be added, the number to be added is, what is the number to be added?
529
Minus,
minus
529 minus
525
525.
is equal to 4.
if you wanted to know the number which is to be added to that 525, what we will do, this number minus this number we will do. And 529 minus 525 is what?
4.
4.
4.
So if you add 4 to this 525, then you will get 529, so that it is a perfect square. So that it is a perfect square.
Perfect square.
Therefore, the perfect square, I am writing here. I will write here. Therefore, the perfect square. Therefore, the perfect square so obtained is what is the perfect square which is to be obtained? For that 525 you have to add 4, then the getting number is the perfect square.
529.
After which number is to be added means you will tell that 4. After adding 4, the number obtained is 529, which is a perfect square. In the question they asked us to find out the square root of the obtained number. Square root of the obtained number. What is the obtained number? The obtained number 529.
20.
529 square root also you need to find, that is the square of 529. Square of, listen, square of 23 is 529. Square root of 529 will be 23.
23.
23. So this is the way of solving fifth bit. Take the screenshot now,
Took, sir.
everyone.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
you
sir.
select one question from the remaining questions.
Sir, 6,412.
Fifth
Yes,
one.
sir. Fifth one.
Yes,
Fifth
sir.
Fifth one.
question, sir. Yes, sir.
What do you want? Fifth question, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Fifth
sir.
bit, fifth one, 6412. Fifth bit,
6,412. Fifth one.
fifth bit, question number 5. What is the given number?
6,412.
6,412.
6412, sir.
6,412.
412.
In solution,
12.
what we will do, let us find that whether it is a perfect square or not. 6,412. We will apply the division method starting from the right.
Two
Take the
bars.
digits
Bars.
and keep the bar over them. Next here also two digits are there. Okay. So let us see that what is to be done. 6,412. Take the first bar number. What is the first bar number?
64.
64.
64. Is it perfect square number?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
If it is perfect square number, what you need to do directly? Which one into which number
8, sir.
8 into 8.
8 into
8
8
into
will
8.
give
18.
64? 8 into 8 will give 64. Then
64.
we will subtract. 64 minus
Subtract
64 is 0. After that,
0.
0.
take down the next bar number. Next bar number is what? What is there?
12.
12.
Below the next bar,
12.
that is 12. The 0, 1, 2 is nothing but, what is the number? 0, 1, 2 is nothing but
12.
12.
12.
12 only.
12.
So we have here 12. We have here 12. Next, 8. 8 double
16.
16.
16.
16.
16.
16. After you keep blank. In the blank, which is the digit you are selecting, with that only you have to multiply. For example, 16 after, if you are placing 1, with 1 only you should multiply. 1 time, 1, 6, 1. You are getting 161.
161.
But here it is,
12.
what is here? 12.
12.
So it is crossing that. If if you are selecting 1 only, it is crossing 12. If you are selecting 2, 3, 4 also, it will be more than 161.
So we should
So
take
what is?
0.
Sir, 0.
Yes, 0
0.
is to be selected. Very good. 0 is to be selected. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 times 0, 0 times 0, 1 time. Okay. So 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 6 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0. All zeros only. So
0.
if you are placing here 0, here also place 0. So 160 into 0 will give
Is 0. 0.
0. So what is the remainder you got after subtracting?
12.
12.
12.
Well, same like our previous question only. This this shows that what is the quotient you got?
80.
Quotient. So that quotient square is
87.
less than the given number. What is the given number? 6,412.
6,412.
What is the next perfect square number? Next perfect square
81
number.
square.
Next perfect square number
81.
is 80 square. After what will come? That
81
is
square.
81 square.
81 square.
81 square. If you don't know technique, I will tell you. 81 into 81. So what we will do? 1 into 1 will be 1. 1 into 8 is 8. 8 into 1 is also 8. So 8 plus 8 is what? 16. So 1, 6.
16.
88 times 64 plus 1, 65. So what is the answer for that 81 square?
6561.
6,561. Hence, the number to be added. Hence,
6561 minus 6412.
6561
number
minus 6412.
we added is from this number you have to subtract which number? This number
6412.
6412. To do the rough work or directly tell me what is the answer, do you know? Otherwise we will do it. 6561 minus 6412. 1 minus 2, 11 minus 2 is 9, 5 minus 1 is 4, 5 minus 4 is 1. Next 149 is the
149.
49.
149.
149. Therefore, the perfect square number so obtained. Therefore, the perfect square number
Perfect square number obtained.
so obtained is, what is the perfect square number for the given number? 6412 plus, which is the number to be added?
Plus
149.
149.
149.
149.
After adding them, what you are going to get? 6561 you will get. Whatever the number that will come. Clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So after that, what you need to do? Hence, square root of the getting number 6561. Square root of 81 into 81 will give 81 into 81 will give 6561. The square root, if you wanted to take, you should take this number only once.
Yes, sir.
What is the number?
81.
81.
Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Take the screenshot.
No, sir. Taken, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have taken the
Yes,
screenshot.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, you see this question number 6. Read it. Question number 6.
Find the length of the side
Find
of
the
the
length of
square
the
area
side
is
of a
441
square
meters
whose
square.
area is 441 meter square.
Here, area of the square is given. They are asking us to find out the length of the side. Area of the square is how much?
Side into side.
441.
meter square.
441 square. It was given. Okay. So what is given? Let us write first. Question number 6. Sixth question. What is given? You tell me.
Area of a square.
Length of a side of a square.
441 meter square.
Okay. What is given to us? Area of the
Area
square
of the
given.
square.
Given.
441, sir.
Area of the
Square
square
Given.
Equals to
is
equal
441
to
meters square.
441
meter square.
meter
meter
square.
square.
Meter square.
What they are asking us to find out? Length of
Length.
the
Length of the
Length of each
Length
side
of
of
the
the square.
length of the side of the square.
Square.
They are asking us to find out. Okay. Before going to that, let us go to basic concept. Suppose if you draw a square, if you draw a square, okay. So we are drawing a square. Okay. Let us draw the square picture. when you are drawing a square, this is side. This is side. How many sides are there like this?
4, sir.
Four
Four.
sides, sir.
So you represent the side with S. So if this is S, this is also
S.
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 yes.
All sides are equal length.
That's why
All
if you
sides.
represent this one as S, these three also S only. So side is yes. Then area. What is the formula for area?
Side into side.
Side into
Side into side.
Side into side. Can we write A for area? S into S can be written as S square.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If A equal to S square, then S square equal to A.
1.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We
Yes,
need
sir.
only
Yes, sir.
we need only side.
Sir,
For
S
that, what you
square is equal to
Sir, we should take
441
square
meter
root.
square.
first you look at this. S square equal to A, then S equal to square is to be transposed from one side to another side. If you are transposing square, it will be converted as
Square root.
Square root.
Square root.
what is
Square root.
what is here?
Square root.
A. So from this you can tell that side of the square is square root of area of the
A.
square.
Square root of A.
Okay, so that is why side of the square is equal to square root of area. Can I write
Square
like
root of
this?
area.
Yes, sir.
So square root of what is the area?
441. 441
Meter square.
square.
Square root below square is there. We will take that one. Square one we will take it outside of the square root and we will write only that meter. Meter square will be converted as meter. When you write that meter, don't put this square root for this one. Now you need to find out square root of which one?
441.
441.
441.
441. I wanted to apply the method of long division method. Okay, I wanted to apply long division method. What is to be done? Bars we have to place from the right. Here bar and here bar. First bar below, what is the number present here?
4.
4.
4 is the perfect
4 is
square
a
number.
perfect square.
Yes,
So that
sir.
is right.
Perfect square number.
2 times
2 are sir.
4 minus 4 minus 4 will be 0.
0.
Take down the next
Zero.
number which is
41.
below the bar. 41. Now the number you
41
have is
down.
41 is the number
Sir, we
you
should.
have here.
Yes,
Next
sir.
2 double is 4. 4
4.
after
Dash.
which is the
Give some
number to be
space.
selected to get 41.
1.
6, sir.
Suppose you are
One.
selecting 1. 1 time 1, 1 4
41
time
into
4.
1 is equal to 41 only, sir.
Are you getting 41?
41 ones are 41.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
that is
sir.
why here you can select 1. Here also 1. So 41 one time is 41.
41.
Next 41 minus 41 is 0.
Is
Then
0.
you can tell that therefore
0.
square root
Nothing.
of 441
Square root
is
of
equal to
441 is
21.
21. So that is why you can
20.
tell that
1.
conclusion line. Therefore, length of the
Length of the side of the square is
of the side of the
21.
square is 21.
length of the side of the square
Is
Is
21.
21.
Is
is equal
21.
to what is that? 21.
21.
21 is what actually?
21.
Meter.
21
Meter.
meter. Always you remember area in square units. That side will be in units only. No squares will come. Take the screenshot now. This is rough
Taken,
work.
sir.
Taken, sir.
This is rough work only for understanding purpose. Okay,
Taken, sir.
you have taken the screenshot. Then we will go to question number
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
7.
7th.
Question number 7, you see what is there here? Read it.
In a right triangle ABC, B is equal to 90 degree.
No, not B. Angle B.
Angle B, sir.
This is the
Angle
symbol
B.
of angle.
Angle B
Angle B equal.
equals.
Sir, there are A and B options, sir.
B question you read.
B. If line segment AC is equal to 13 centimeter, comma, if line segment BC is equal to 5 centimeter, find AB.
Okay. Question. Given information is this one. I wanted to explain B question. A question is homework for you. Seventh bit. In a right triangle ABC, one right triangle ABC is there. In that angle B is 90 degree. Okay. Let us do that. Angle B is 90 degree. Question number 7.
7.
Seventh bit B. So in triangle A, B, C, angle B is equal to 90 degree. It was
90
given.
degree.
It was given. Yes. By using this, I wanted to draw the picture. Right angle
Right
triangle.
angle triangle.
Right angle triangle picture I wanted to draw. So angle at B point angle is 90 degree. So you place this point at B, angle is how much degree? 90 degree.
90
And you assume it as A and this one as C. Now right angle triangle is over and with angle B equal to 90 degree. Further what they have given, let us see. Given what they have given to us, AC equal to
13 centimeters, sir.
okay, BC equal to
5 centimeter.
and which one we have to find out?
AB.
AB.
AB equal to question mark that we don't know, that we have to find. AC value, AC length is 13 centimeter. This is 13 centimeter. From A point to C point length
Sir,
is
can
13
we put
centimeter.
AB equals to X?
No need, no need. AB will be AB only, you keep it. Why to select another one? BC equal to 5 centimeter. Next AB we don't know. That is why question
Sir,
mark.
AC is hypotenuse, sir.
Okay. We know in right angle triangle, the side which is opposite to right angle is called as
Hypotenuse.
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 Hypotenuse, sir.
And also we know very well Pythagoras theorem is applicable in right angle triangle. So
Triangle.
we can write by
Have to apply
Pythagoras theorem.
question, sir.
By Pythagoras theorem. Sir, how to get the idea, sir? How you are getting the idea? If you, some students may have doubt. You observe here sides length. Totally every triangle is having 3 sides. Out of the 3 sides, 2 sides lengths are given and another side length is not given. So there is a, you should search for the relation among the 3 sides of the right angle triangle. So that is Pythagoras theorem. What Pythagoras theorem says, square of the hypotenuse. Square of the hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse here?
Sir, AC.
AC. So square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the
Base
Square.
and height.
sum of
AB
the
and BC.
AB square plus BC square.
Base
you
and
speak
height,
later.
sir.
Speak later. Square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other 2 sides. Other 2 sides are what? One is AB
Base and height.
and another one is
And PC.
BC.
BC. Okay. Theorem is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Is it? Okay. AC AC length is what? What is AC length?
13 centimeter.
13 centimeter.
So you can write 13. AC value 13, but AC square 13 square. AB we don't know. AB, if you don't know, write as it is. BC value
5
5
centimeter.
centimeter square.
5 square.
Square.
13 square. What is 13 square? You, if you don't know,
169.
if you don't know, let us do like this.
Rough
3
work,
into
sir.
3 is 9.
169.
3 into 1 is 3. 1 into 3 3.
169.
Totally 6. 1 into 1 is 1. Like this you can do it. 13 square means 13 into 13, that is 169, is equal to AB whole square equal to
Square.
5 square. 5 square means 5 into 5.
25.
5
25.
into 5
Sir.
is 25.
25.
Okay.
5.
Now, if you transpose this plus 25, suppose if you transpose this plus 25, what it will be? If you transpose this plus 25 to left hand side,
Minus
it will become as
25, sir. Minus
169 minus
25.
25.
169
Minus 25.
minus
Minus
25
25.
is equal
25.
to AB square. 169 minus 25. Let us do here.
144.
9 minus 5, 4. 6 minus 2, 4. And this is 1. 144. So we can write 144 equal to AB square. We need only AB. We don't want AB square. So what is to be transposed in now?
Sir, 144
Square root
square
of
root, sir. We have to
144.
find
Square root of
From
144,
this,
sir.
12.
from this I can write,
Transfer.
listen first, AB square is equal to 144. I need only AB. I don't want that square. I wanted to transpose that square. If you are transposing square to one side to
Square
another
root.
Square
side,
root.
it will become a square root. A square is
Square root.
transposed, it will become a square root. After transposing, don't put the square here. What is the number? 144.
44.
Square root of 144. The
12,
144
sir.
can be written as 12 into 12. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
12
Yes,
into
sir.
12. Square root below, double numbers are there. We will write only single number.
Single number.
So AB is equal to 12. These
12
all are,
centimeter.
this is in centimeter, this is in centimeter. So AB also
Centimeter.
should be there
Centimeter.
in question. What they are
Centimeter.
asking us to find?
AB,
What they are
sir.
asking us to find? AB. Did you get AB
AB.
value?
AB.
AB length,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Question is over. Take the screenshot.
Taken, sir.
Yes, sir.
Taken.
Yes, sir.
You have taken no? Right.
Taken, sir.
Still any doubt is there?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
No more doubts. Look at this one. This one also you can do in the same way. Seventh bit A, AB value is given, BC is
Sir,
given,
and we
AC
can
they are
directly
asking.
find the hypotenuse, sir.
Yes, that's it. No need
No
of
need of
transposing and all.
transposing.
Uh, so since it is easy question, I wanted to give this one as your homework. Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, question number 8 and 9 are both are same model only. I would like to go with the ninth question. Eighth one homework. Okay. There are, read this question.
There are
There are
500
500
children
children in
in a
a school. For a for a
Hmm.
PT drill, they have to stand in such a manner that
Okay.
the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. How many
Okay.
children would be left out in this arrangement?
Okay. Now you read eighth question.
A
A
gardener
gardener
has
has 1,000 plants. He wants to plant these in such a way that the number of rows and the number of columns remain same. Find the
Okay.
minimum number of plants he needs more for this.
Okay. Same like this only. Both questions are same. You can observe here. Number of rows and number of columns remain same. Number of rows is equal to number of columns. And here 1000 plants. Here 500 children. Find the minimum number of plants he needs more for this. How many children would be left out in this arrangement? How many more? How many more are required? Here, how many are left? One is related to addition, one is related
Another
to subtraction.
Subtraction.
So these both methods applicable in
Subtraction.
different questions. So can I go with the ninth question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ninth
Yes,
question.
sir.
Totally, how many children are there?
500, sir.
children.
500.
So total number of children is equals to total number of children equal to Question number 9 we are selecting now. Question number 9. Total number of children. How many children are there?
500, sir.
500 are there.
500.
Here one condition is given. Number of columns and number of rows are equal, isn't it? Do you know how many rows are there?
Yes,
How
sir.
many columns are there? Do you know how many rows are there?
No, sir.
Let
No, sir.
the number of rows equal to x.
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 Since the number of rows and number of columns are equal, then we can write number of columns also.
X.
X.
Then number of columns equal to
X.
x. For example, you observe here, number of rows, you select 3 rows, 3 columns. Number of rows and
3x.
columns are equal.
Yes, sir.
So 3 rows, 3
3
columns.
column.
3 columns.
1, 2, 3. So which type of figure you got? You observe
Square.
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 square figure you got. Square figure you got. Okay. Answer my question. For example, in a row, 2 children. In one row, 2 children, and in one column also 2 children are there. So one row, 2 children. In first column also 2 children. Second column also 2 children. Totally, how many children are there?
4.
4.
4.
Okay, 4. If in one row 3 children are there, one row, first row, 1, 2, 3. Second row also 1, 2, 3 are
9,
there.
sir. 9
Now
children,
in
sir.
column 3 should be there. First column 1, 2, 3. Second column 1, 2, 3. Third column also 1, 2, 3. Total number of children, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9.
9.
9.
Actually, rows and columns. Is there any relation? Are you observing here? Any relation is there?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
They are equal and
Yes.
multiplying each other.
Yes. If you multiply number of rows with number of columns, then you are going to get number of
Children.
children. Yes or no? Total number of children.
Yes.
Here you observe number of rows equal to number of columns. Here 3, here 3. When in the case of number of rows equal to number of columns, total number of students will be by multiplying that number of rows with number of columns. You are going to get number of children. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, total number of children
Children.
equal to number of rows
Number of rows.
Into number of columns.
Number of columns.
So how many rows are there?
X.
We don't know.
3
sir.
rows.
X.
X.
X,
X
sir.
rows, X columns.
Yes.
This is only for your understanding purpose. Now here how many rows? X rows and X columns. Can we write X into X as X square?
X square.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there any doubt? No? This
No,
X
sir.
square is a perfect square number. X square is a perfect square number. You observe here total number of children is equal to 500. Here also total number of
500.
children equal to X square. Say this one as first equation and this one as second equation. In X term total
Second
number of
equation.
children. In X term total number of children is what?
500.
500.
X
In
square.
in X term total number of children in X terms. X square. Actual
X
number.
square.
Actual
X
number.
square.
500.
So can we write X square equal to 500?
500.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
From this you can write. That implies X is equal to what can we write?
Root 500.
Yes.
Square root.
So
Square
we
root
need to
500.
find out the
500.
we need to find out the
Square
square
root
root
of 500.
500 by using division method. So 500. Division method we will apply. Starting from the right, every two digit pairing.
2.
What is the number below the first bar?
5.
5.
5. 5 is a
5.
perfect square number.
No,
Whether 5
sir.
is a
No, sir.
no. So which is the number to be multiplied itself to get
4.
2 into
4?
2.
Next
2
2
into 2,
into 2,
sir.
4.
2
2 into
into
2.
2 will be
2.
4. Subtraction.
4.
5 minus 4 will be 1.
1.
Take down the digits
2
which are
zeros.
below the next bar. 100. You got
100.
100. 2 double is 4. 4 after
4.
you keep blank. In that blank, which is the number to be kept to get 100?
2. 2, sir.
2 na?
2.
Yes,
If you
sir.
are if you are selecting 3, it is 120 change na?
129. 129, sir.
129. But we need only 100. So
Yes.
2, if you select 42 2 times is
84.
84. 100 minus 84 is 16.
16.
Since 500 is not a perfect square number, it is not the perfect square number. So that you can observe here, as per the question what they are asking, you see, how many children would be left out in this arrangement? How many children would be left in this arrangement? So when you are arranging like that, how many children are left? Tell me.
16, sir.
16, sir.
16, sir.
Yes.
16.
16, sir.
Reason
Sir,
actually
500 minus 16 we can get, sir.
no, not 500 minus 60. How many children are left? That is the question. If you are arranging 22 rows and in
16
one row
will be
22
left,
children, in
sir.
one column also 22. So in each row we have 22. In each row 22 students are there. In each column
Yes,
also
sir.
22 are there. Total
22.
number of students will be 22 into 24, 22 into 22. Is how much?
484.
2 into 2, 4, 484.
484.
So if you are keeping all in first row 22, second row 22, third row 22, like that 22 rows you can arrange. Remaining how many students are left out of 500? If you
16,
subtract
sir.
484,
16 left, sir.
16 students are left. 16 students are left. Can you arrange these 16 students if you are placing like that? 6 more students place is left here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Exactly in square format, if you wanted to arrange, exactly in square format, if you wanted to arrange, you can arrange in every column, in every row, 22 students only. Okay. Still, but 16 students are left. We cannot arrange them in a line. There are 6 more students places left. So how many children are left?
16 children are left.
So this means
Are left.
this means this means that 16 children, that 16 children would be left out, would be left out in this arrangement. In this arrangement.
Arrangement.
Okay. Is it
Yes, sir.
clear or any doubt is there?
Clear,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, take the screenshot.
Clear, sir.
Take the screenshot.
Taken, sir.
Taken, sir.
Question number 8 you see. Question number 8. See this?
Yes,
A
sir.
garden. Tell me. Question number 8.
A gardener has 1000 plants. He wants to plant these in such a way that the number of rows and the number of columns remain same. Find the minimum number of plants he needs more for this.
See here would be left out. Here needs how many more are required. So out of the
Addition,
1000
sir,
plants.
here.
Addition, sir.
So 1000 plants are already there. How many plants more are required? So more than 1000, how many are required? Like This is addition question only. What we can do here also condition is same. Number of rows and number of columns remains the same. Number of rows and number of columns remains the same. Okay. Same like this only. Total number of children here. But in that question, total number of
Plants.
plants. And condition same. At the if you are assuming the number of rows as x, number of columns also
X.
x. So we will proceed with our question number.
Sir, we will follow that fifth question method, sir.
Yes, you can follow. So what is that total number of plants? How many plants are
Plants.
there?
1,000.
1000.
1000.
sir.
1,000.
1000 plants are there. As per the question, number of columns and number of rows are equal.
X.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Let
Yes,
the
sir.
number of rows
Rows.
equal to
X.
x. Then
X.
the number of columns also
X. Same, sir. Same.
columns equal to x.
X.
Therefore, total number of plants in terms of x. So what we will do? Number of rows
Number of rows into number of columns.
Number of rows into number of columns.
number of columns. So that will be x into x. Further, it can be written as x square.
X square.
Now say this one as first equation and this one as second equation.
Second.
equation.
From equations 1 and 2, what can you write? This is number of plants. This is also number of plant.
X
So
square
this
is equal to 100.
actual number 1000 in terms of x square. So we can write x square is equal to 1000.
100.
From this 1000, not 100, x is equal to square. If you transpose to one side to another side, it will be
Square root of 1,000.
Root 1000.
here. You need to find out the square root of 1000 by division, long division method. Starting from the right, every two digits you can place the
Bars.
bar, and here two digits
Bars.
bar. Draw the line like this. First bar below 10 is there. 10 is not a perfect square number. Before that, perfect square number is 9. 9
Nine,
can be
sir.
written as
3 into
into
3.
3. 3 times
3 into
is 9. Subtraction.
1, sir.
9.
1 remain.
10 minus 9. What is 10 minus
1
9?
remain.
Is 1.
1.
Take down the next digits which are below the second bar. That is
Bar.
0, 0. Now the
0,
number is 100. Next process, 3 double is 6.
9.
6 after
Six.
which is the digit to be selected to get 100. 6 after which is the digit to be selected. Suppose if you are selecting 2,
1.
with 2 only, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 124. Is 124 is crossing 100?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
We need not select 2. We need
One.
not select 2. What is to be 1?
sir.
If you are selecting 1 with 1 only, we multiply 61. So if you are selecting 1 here, here also 1 will come. 61 one time is 61. Subtraction. How much is left?
39.
39.
9.
But in this question, in the question they are asking us to find how many plants he needs more for this. More are required. 1000 are not sufficient. We need some more.
39
How
more,
many?
sir. 39 more.
No. Not 39 more. 39 in this
Sir,
only extra is
31.
there.
Sir, 31.
Same process like our previous question. Be very careful. Addition, subtraction, both are not same. It is different. We can write this shows that 31 square is less than 1000. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
next perfect square number is
32 square.
32.
next perfect square number is
32.
32.
32.
And its
32 square is
square root
1000.
is 1024.
1,024. Hence the
1024.
minimum number of plants. Hence the minimum
1024 minus 1000. That is
minimum number of
24.
hence the minimum number of
It is
plants
24.
he needs
He needs more.
for this. He needs more is equal to how much? Just now you told. So from the
1024 minus 1000 is equal to 24.
24.
1000, then you will get
24
24.
24.
plants.
So minimum number of plants he needs more. How many more? Already with him 1000 are there. 1000 are there. If it is a perfect square number, you can arrange number of rows and number of columns are same. Since it is not a perfect square number, which is the next perfect square number after 1000 you need to find. But that is 32 square and that is 1024. So extra how many? Already 1000 is having. Extra how many are required to make it as a
24
perfect square?
24.
24. So this is the process to be followed to solve the questions.